So I'm getting ready for bed and about to hop in the shower. I got to thinking about y'all. I know y'all are worried because those smoke alarms keep going off at night at the dorm and all. Um, that's the people down the hall smoking. Yeah, they they're just trying to relax and all. So also, the school is not overrun with skunks. It's not skunks at all. No, that's been happening for a real long time. It's not skunks. It's pot. It's marijuana. That's why the smoke alarms are going off. Don't call the school. They know.